Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of split brain research and its mind-bending revelations about human consciousness and the self. If you enjoy exploring the mysteries of the mind, hit that like button and let's get started. In the mid-20th century, a groundbreaking surgical procedure was performed on patients with severe epilepsy. Surgeons severed the corpus callosum, the bundle of nerve fibers connecting the brain's two hemispheres, to reduce the spread of epileptic seizures. While the primary goal was medical, these split-brain patients became pivotal subjects in neuroscience and psychology, offering unique insights into how our brains function. What happens when the corpus callosum is cut? Think of it as a superhighway connecting the left and right hemispheres of your brain. When it's severed, the communication between these two sides is disrupted. But here's where it gets fascinating. Each hemisphere seems to operate independently, almost as if two separate minds exist within one skull. One of the most famous researchers in this field was Roger Sperry, who, along with his colleagues, conducted numerous experiments on split-brain patients. They discovered that the left hemisphere typically handles language and analytical tasks, while the right hemisphere is more involved in spatial and creative activities. Imagine being one of these patients. If someone shows an object to your right visual field, processed by the left hemisphere, you can easily name it. But if that same object is shown to your left visual field, processed by the right hemisphere, you might be able to draw it but not name it. This phenomenon highlights how specialized each hemisphere is and how they contribute separately to our experience of the world. What does it mean for our sense of self and consciousness if our brain can operate as two distinct entities? Some patients report feeling a kind of duality, as if they are two people sharing one body. This raises profound questions about the nature of the self. Are we truly a single, unified consciousness, or is that an illusion created by the seamless interaction between our brain's hemispheres? Philosophers and scientists debate whether split-brain research supports a dualist view of mind and body, or reinforces the idea that consciousness is a product of brain activity. If our sense of self can be divided, what does that say about personal identity and free will? These questions touch on some of the deepest mysteries in philosophy and neuroscience. Moreover, split-brain research has practical implications beyond these philosophical debates. Understanding how different parts of the brain contribute to specific functions can aid in developing treatments for neurological conditions and advancing brain-computer interfaces. Imagine technology that could eventually allow us to communicate directly with machines using different parts of our brain. As we continue to explore the brain's enigmatic nature, split-brain research remains a cornerstone of our understanding. It challenges our assumptions about who we are and what it means to be conscious, urging us to rethink the very nature of reality. If you found this exploration of split-brain research as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the mind. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.